Hi, welcome back to Just Cook. I'm going to show you now just a quick snack that I make for my children. They all love them, and I posted it earlier in the week. It's the hot dog sausage rolls. So very simple, 3 ingredients. We've got some hot dogs. I'm using these classic frankfurters that the kids like. We've got puff pastry. I'm using the end bit that I was using from previously, so I've cut them into strips, 3 strips like this. Then we've got the egg wash, and we've got our baking tray with our baking paper on top. And very simply, take the sausage, take the pastry, and just wrap this around, just overlapping slightly, so you can see that that's going to cover that. And then I'm going to take a bit more of this one, and then just continue that from there, just to finish wrapping it right round, and then we'll just break that off. I'm going to pop that on the baking tray, and we're going to egg wash that in a second. Then I'm going to do second one, same thing, just wrap that around the sausage, just each time just going further down. And then obviously if you've got a full sheet, you can do a full 10 of these. If you've got a pack and you've got a big family like me, I'm just going to show you a couple for this to keep the video short, so you can see. Got those 2 nicely there on the tray. Then I'm just going to egg wash them, a little bit of beaten egg and milk. And then we're going to pop them in the oven for about 12 to 15 minutes, 180 gas mark 4. And they'll come up really, really lovely. So once you cook them, they'll look like this. And all you've got to do then, make some dips or just ketchup, which is what most of my kids like. Dip them in, eat them, make a really nice snack while you're down on lockdown. Bit of lunch, quick lunch. Away you go, enjoy.